Hello class, and welcome to my week 3 presentation on magnesium deficiency in growing dogs. Today we will be discussing magnesium deficiency in dogs, particularly in the growth stage, as magnesium is extremely important for growing puppies. Magnesium is an essential mineral that aids muscle and bone development and is a necessary mineral to allow the dog's body to absorb calcium. Magnesium works in harmony with calcium and phosphorus to support the growing body. We have symptoms and images on the next slide of magnesium deficiency in growing dogs. Our symptoms include weakness, muscle trembling, ataxia, depression, hyperreflexia or overactive muscles, tetany, severe muscle pain, behavioral changes, and arrhythmias, which are abnormal heart rhythms. And for our pictures, we have all of those in order. The first one is weakness. The next one is muscle trembling, and it was a little bit hard for me to find pictures that do coincide with each of these because they're outward symptoms. And of course, we all know that dogs don't exhibit pain the way that we do. And then we have ataxia, depression, behavioral changes, and so forth and so on. And for our natural sources of magnesium for growing dogs, we have avocados, which can be a controversial topic, but the flesh only, as the pit and the skin contain a toxic substance called persin. So one medium avocado contains 58 milligrams of magnesium. And then for our next one, we have seeds, flax, pumpkin, and chia. Pumpkin seeds contain 168 milligrams per 1 ounce, which is a pretty good source of natural magnesium for growing puppies. And then we have some fatty fish, which are also great for dogs, salmon, mackerel, and halibut. For salmon, we have 3.5 ounces of salmon contains 30 milligrams of magnesium, so not the highest. And then bananas, 1 large banana contains 37 milligrams. And then of course leafy greens, which would be the second highest, so spinach, kale, etc. And then 1 cup of spinach contains 158 milligrams of magnesium. And then for my recommended mitigation method, I would say supplying growing dogs with nutritionally complete diet, including natural sources of magnesium, is definitely key. And you don't want to underdo it or overdo it. And if you do want to supply magnesium in a supplemental way to the diet, I would definitely recommend ensuring that the mineral already comes from natural sources. You can always supply it extra, but make sure that the diet is complete and balanced before you do that, because sometimes adding too much magnesium can also have its complications. So we want to be really careful with that. And if the dog has a genetic or predisposed deficiency at birth, a visit to the vet would be the appropriate way to find mitigation methods for these cases. And in severe cases, an IV may be supplied to provide expedited magnesium to the body. It just ensures it in the fastest way possible. And then we have my Works Cited page, and that is everything. Thank you guys so much.